So in this video, I'm going to slice up this keychain, and I'm going to print it in all four of the speeds that Bambu Labs offers for this printer. So you got the silent mode, the normal mode, sport mode, and ludicrous mode. And that varies from 200 millimeters a second all the way, well actually lower than that, all the way up to 500 millimeters a second. And I want to see if it sacrifices quality when you go up to those speeds. So I'm not doing it, I'm doing it at 0.2 millimeter layer height. And I'm not gonna change the heat. So here we go. This is 17 minutes for normal mode, but you'll see the times for everything else throughout the video. So stay tuned. So this is a print on silent mode. Put the camera back on when it's done. It's going to take, let's see, 26 minutes on silent mode. It's all done on silent mode. Here it is. Got it off. Here it is. I think it took 20 something minutes. I forget. So I'm gonna go over here, return, down, speed. Let's see. So here it is in normal mode. It's saying 17 minutes. So here's the slow mode, silent mode. Put it back on when it's done. Okay, so here it is, the normal speed. They look the same pretty much. Next we're gonna try sport mode. So, okay. Gonna go down here. Plate, print. And then I'm gonna go this. Put it in sport mode. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Film again when it's done. So I just updated the settings. It's gonna be 10 minutes to print it in sport mode. Only 10 minutes in normal mode. It was 17 or 18 minutes, I believe. So here it is, 10-minute print. It's all done. Here's the slow one. This is the normal speed. This is the faster speed, sport mode right here. So far they all look identical. Next, we're gonna print it again, put it in ludicrous mode. So we're gonna go to print. Alright, so I'll be starting and then I'll put it in ludicrous mode. So it's going and it says 7 minutes. And this the slow one was 34 minutes, I believe. Maybe not. Yeah. 7-minute print time. Is it printing on ludicrous mode? It's already halfway done. It's been going for about 2.5 minutes. Not even, maybe? See, it's getting the top layer. Doesn't look great so far, but that's just part of the info. This is ludicrous mode, the Bambu P1P. This print already has 3 minutes left and it's been going for about 2.5 minutes. See how fast I can get a whole layer done. It's going at 500 millimeters a second right now. getting some text done. So here's the result of all 4 print settings. And remember, this one took 7 minutes to print, and that's including the bed leveling, which takes about 4 or 5 minutes. So it's like a 3-minute print, and you're getting a whole keychain here. This one took, I believe, 20 something minutes. I don't totally remember, but this is the silent mode. This is Ludicrous, so let's just put them next to each other. There is absolutely no difference. They both have this little hole in the G, but you cannot tell anything different. So no, it's not worth putting your printer in silent mode. It's not worth it at all, because there's going to be no difference. I didn't change the temperature or anything on any of these prints. So here it is, from slow to faster to Ludicrous. So here's all the 4 again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and also go check out Triaxis Printing on Etsy.